What's up, everybody? It's your girl Erica from the Classy Climb blog. Just coming in here. It's a little early. The morning light is terrible right now. But look, I just want to show you a quick, took $100, invested it into 4 notes. And so just kind of showing you some of what the notes look like off Lending Club. There you go. So we're already on the page for over here. I picked an A, a B, a C, a D, and I didn't pick an E. There was an E. I could have got a choice to pick it, and I didn't pick it. All right, so effective interest rate, 13%, effective charge-off rate. Now, what is this? This says, just in case one person doesn't pay, here's, 1 out of 4, right? Just to give you this number that's more balanced, projected return 5%. Now, I go down here, you can see my notes. I've got somebody who's trying to do credit card payoff, $30,000 is what they're requesting. They've got B type credit, B4, so they're getting 4%, 12% interest, 12.4% interest. It's 21 days left on it. It's 80% funded. I usually try to go for 99% funded, like the one at the bottom. Doesn't always work. So, but to stay in the vein of, I never do more than 36 months because I just feel like the way people change jobs and like they forget about things. I think it's best to have shorter, quicker loans, in my opinion. So this one's $19,000 loan refinancing consolidation, 13% interest. This one's 20% interest, and it's a D rating. They want $20,000. Okay, they've got 21 days left on theirs, but they're 82% already funded. Now, the last one I picked, which I usually don't pick A's, which is funny. I usually pick all B, C, D's, and E's. That's why I get such high interest rates, because I feel like a person who has a 620 credit score, but they're getting ranked low, or because you have at least a 640, getting ranked it because you have a 640 and you're trying to pay something off. I think that's ridiculous. So right here, I have an A in here because it's 98% all the way funded. It only needs $400 more to be an active loan. So you're only going to get 7% returns on your money, which isn't super high. But again, it's just something. So you can see in there, they're saying, hey, you're going to get around 13%. But we've already seen what? I've got 13, 12, 20%. And the 7 to round it off. So again, just add in there. And so then we'd continue and go on to the next one. But essentially that's how simple it is. I'll do another screen to show, I'll do another screen in a second to show you more. So let me stop sharing this screen. And I hope you guys this is helping you somewhat, because many people keep saying, Eric, I don't understand. It is not that hard. It's not that hard to understand. Okay, let me share it again. This is what the place order screen looks like. This is the next screen over. Average interest rate, 13%. So again, still high. Okay, place my order. All right, let me see if I can go back and show you guys some manual investing. All right, okay. Okay, hold on a second. All right, switch it over, share the screen again. All right, so this is where I pick my notes from. Okay, so again, as you can see, some of the ones, I usually go by how much is funded, like the one's 99% down, which you can do here. But I just look at it from now, okay? So you see the B's, you see 16%, 8% for the A, 10%, 20%, 17%. Look at this E, 29%. This guy is moving, relocating, right? So let's say we want to find out more about it. We click on it. All right, here's his application. He's approved. He's HR manager, rent, gross income. He's got a 660 to 664. Again, you can see more of his information if you look deeper. All right, so again, here's 20% here, 26%, 20%, 28%. It's a small business. 20% here. So again, when people sit here and say, Erica, I don't know if they're gonna pay, and I'm like, let's look at the small business. There's some information, but again, you can review the complete listing here. I'm not going to click this as respect to this person who's using this app and applying. You guys can sign up on your own and do this. Again, this person has 715 credit, but they want it for other reasons, so it's just higher. Supply sergeant. So again, this just shows you some examples. You can review their actual applications. Just a way for you guys to invest and get returns on your money. So just keeping this one simple and keeping it short. This is my Lending Club review, some of the manual investing. So, all right, you guys, this is Erica. Later.